Now, the official Suncoast weather with ABC7 meteorologist John Scalzi.
Current conditions outside include a 77-degree temperature at the airport with a 73 dew point. But we have winds now that have a more easterly bent to them. So that easterly bent, an indication that high pressure building in back from the west, from the east rather. We're looking at temperatures that are generally in the mid-70s in inland areas. As you get closer to the coast, they're closer to the 80-degree mark. We'll watch that occur probably each and every day. An area of low pressure continues to spin around in the northern part of the Gulf waters, and that continues to drift towards the west. As it does so, high pressure over the east begins to drift towards the west as well over the state of Florida, and its influence, high pressure, will start to overtake the influence of that low pressure area that brought us all the rainfall. So that's a kind of nice change for us. I know a lot of people that I've seen out there have kind of said that they're ready for a little bit more sunshine, and I think that's what we're going to get. There is still one little piece of energy down to the south of us, and it is producing a little bit of light drizzle in parts of Charlotte County. But for the most part, the threat of heavy thunderstorm activity along the coastline that we have seen over the last several days, much reduced today. There's still got about a 20% chance that coastal regions could see a little bit of drizzle, maybe some patchy rain, but that rain chance is pretty small compared to what we have seen, and mostly it occurs down in Charlotte County. Rotunda seeing some rainfall right now, all of this gradually lifting to the north, but there's a tendency to die out, and a lot of what you're seeing there on radar is what we call virga. It is rain in upper levels of the atmosphere that kind of evaporates before it hits the ground. So it's only in the highest radar scans that you're seeing that showery activity, and only the lowest levels of radar return. So very light stuff. Good news. The low pressure area continues to drift back to the west. As it does so, high pressure builds in. We develop this easterly wind flow. We get a sea breeze in the afternoon, which collides with that easterly wind flow, and that triggers showers and thunderstorms. That is our typical summertime pattern, and it's returning. We'll look for a bit more sunshine today even. We'll have those afternoon storms that build mostly in inland areas and then kind of slowly drift back toward the coast. That will be even more pronounced tomorrow, I think. And that is a transition that will continue to occur throughout the day today to more typical seasonal summertime type weather. The turquoise colors are the very high moisture content air, and it's beginning to erode away from the east to the west under the influence of that high pressure ridge building in. So if you look at the RPM computer model, you'll see a few scattered showers today. They generally move inland and try to return back toward the coast as they damper out. And then tomorrow, mostly inland showers building, and then they try to drift back toward the coast as they dampen out, just as we will see each and every day for the next 5 days or so. The forecast for the heaviest of the rainfall, again, continues to shift further and further to the west as that low exits and its effect on our weather diminishes. Across the tropical basin, well, Gulf waters look good. The Caribbean looks fine. Near Atlantica's A-OK. And even the far Atlantic shows no signs of any kind of development. So tropically speaking, I think for the next 4 or 5 days, everything looks good. South wind comes in at about 10 knots today, switching with the sea breeze to the southwest in the afternoon and evening at about 10 knots. And the forecast calls for a 40 to 50% chance of showers in the 7 days ahead, as opposed to that 70% chance almost any time that we started the week out